everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful picture of a mother and her daughter holding flowers. So let's get started. First, let's start with the basic shapes. Draw 2 circles for the heads of the mother and daughter. The mother's head should be slightly larger and higher than the daughter's. Next, let's draw the hair. For the mother, you can draw long flowing hair or a neat bun. Now, let's add guidelines for the facial features. Next, draw 2 oval shapes below the heads for the bodies. These ovals will be the torsos. Make sure the daughter's body is smaller than the mother's. It's time to draw the flowers. In the hands of the mother and daughter, draw stems with leaves and beautiful blossoms at the top. You can choose any type of flower you like: roses, daisies, or tulips. Yellow color.
Splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6. Naughty
blue color.
Chicks. 7 and 9. Swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Light blue color.
1, 2, 3. Splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6.
Red color.
7 and 9. Swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two,
Pink color.
splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6. Naughty little chicks. 7 and 9. Swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, the angry mother hen.
Orange color.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Have it. A beautiful drawing of a mother and her daughter holding flowers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.